Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Remini on your PC. So let me tell you beforehand that Remini doesn't have an official desktop application, but I have a workaround that you can use to install the application. So simply open your web browser and type in Remini on Google search engine and click on the top search result, which is the official website of Remini. Now click on Try Remini on the top right corner, or you can also click on Try Remini on the center of the page. Here it will open a new page. Now from this section, what you have to do is simply click on the three dotted button on the top right corner of your web browser. Go to the Cast, Save and Share. Click on Install Page as an application. Choose any name. I will rename it as Remini. Click on Install. Now you have successfully installed Remini. Now what you have to do in order to access Remini application, simply hit the Windows key and type in Remini. As you can see, Remini is showing as an application once I click on Remini. As you can see, it's now opened as an application. So that's simply how you can install Remini on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.